Hello, it's Steve TT120. We're back today, we're outside, it's a lovely day today. It's not raining and the sun's not too bright. So we are going to have a go at now building the baseboard for the club layout. Okay, I've constructed a solid board, it's 3/4 ply with a side piece on all the way around. Now the measurement here, we've got it exactly 90, 120. So it's one, and of course to make sure that it is really square you check diagonal. Actually, if I go to inches, exactly 59 inches, and across there exactly 59 inches. So we know that this is flat, it's square,